Okay, currently we are going to this question 1544 make the string great. It is a easy question and very easy to be solving as well. Okay, this question is saying that given a string s of the lower and the uppercase English letters, a good string is a string which does not have two adjacent characters si and si plus 1 where this condition and si is the lower case and si plus 1 is the same letter but in the uppercase or vice versa. Okay, to make the string good, you can choose two adjacent characters that make the string bad and then remove them. You can keep doing until the string becomes good. Okay, that means that the question is talking about, like, just suppose if I am having this situation L small e capital E, if this is the input that I am given to. So what we are supposed to be given, what we are supposed to be do, okay, we just need to remove small e, we need to cancel this small e with capital E because small e is coming with capital E and both of them are adjacent. These type of things should not be in adjacent, means small e should not be adjacent to capital E, small I should not be adjacent to capital I, small I can be adjacent to small I, like it is okay, it is okay if it is a condition, but small I and then capital I this way, it is not okay. Okay, means same alphabet but in different cases, like one is in uppercase, one is in lower case, cannot be in adjacent. Okay, now you got understood that what is the question is asking to us. And yes, yeah, one more thing, just suppose like it can be a reoccurrence, like just suppose if the question is this L small e capital D and capital L. Okay, currently you will be starting from here. Okay, now you will be going there and you will be finding that small is just coming small is adjacent to capital E. So what you will have to do, you will have to remove, you will have to cancel this small e with the capital E, है ना, you will be cancelling this small e with the capital E. So what the answer will be, small l capital L, because these two has been removed, middle two has been removed, so this is the new incoming, है ना. But this new incoming will also be violating, we need to check on the condition with this new incoming as well, है ना. That's why I was saying it will be recurring. Now the new income, new input came this, है ना, new result came this, but it is also violating the condition because small l cannot be adjacent to capital L, है ना. So they will also be cancelling each other, so the new result will be blank string. Okay, so this is our final result. Okay, so this is what, like that's why I was saying it is reoccurring. Okay, okay, just suppose, so the one of the best and the best possible thing, best and the best possible thing we can do over here by using the stack, we can, whenever we type out the things, these type of things now, that some adjacent cannot be, some, if the condition comes like some adjacent variables, है ना, something like that, some alternation operation we need to do on adjacent variables, then we can use stack over there. It is a thumb rule kind of we can think of. Okay, just suppose that just take it this one as example. Okay, small l capital E, small e capital E, take this one as example. First I will be starting my pointer from here. Okay, I will be making as empty stack. I will be putting I will be checking that whether my stack is empty. If my stack is empty, so I will be putting this data into it. Okay, okay, now my small e will be coming. I will be checking that whether my stack is empty. No, my stack is not empty. So what I need to check, that the data that is inside the stack, and that is on the top of the stack, uh, should not be violating the condition. Means if small e is coming, incoming is small e, if it could be capital E over here, so we couldn't have popped out the things. Okay, I will be telling you in further. Okay, small e is coming now, small e will not be violating anything with small l, so we will be adding small e over here. Okay, now my new incoming is capital E. When my new incoming is capital E, then my topmost element in the stack is small e, and capital E is मतलब कैपिटली इज वॉयलेटिंग द स्मॉली है ना. दीज आर द नॉन वैलिड कंडीशन. मतलब इट दिस कंडीशन शुड नॉट बी हैपनिंग. करंटली माई न्यू इनकमिंग इज कैपिटली and top of the stack is smally. So what I will have to do, I will have to remove the element that is on the top of the stack. So my smally has been removed. So and now my pointer moves further. Now my pointer has come across the end of this string. And so what is my final data inside this stack? That will be my answer. My final data is inside the stack is L, so my answer is gonna be L. Okay, I know it may be little tricky, but okay, we'll be looking with this example. Small l, small e, capital E, capital L. Okay, okay, this one is occurring, a reoccurring one. Like it will be cancelling with this one. These two will be cancelling with each other, and after that the new result will be coming this one, and this new result also will be cancelling with each other. Okay, this will be my final answer, means first answer, and this is the final answer. Okay, so how we'll be doing? Okay, my input came small l, small e, capital L. So my pointer will be here. I will be taking the empty stack, putting the data inside it because the stack is empty. Now my pointer will be coming to here. Small e came, and on the top of the stack is small l. So small e is not violating with the small l, so I'll be putting small e as well inside it. Okay, now my pointer came to capital E, and again I will be checking whether my stack is not empty, and my stack is not empty. So what is on the top of the stack is either it is violating my condition to pushing it. मतलब means I am trying to push my capital E, but whatever in the whatever is already available in the top of the stack is violating me to push that thing. So what will I have to do? I will have to again remove it. Okay, it has been removed. Okay, now I will be coming to the capital L. I came to the capital L. Now I will be trying to push my capital L into the stack, but whatever on the top of the stack is small l, that is violating with the capital L. मतलब capital L is capital L and small l, these are the not valid condition. So what will you do? I will be removing whatever on the top of the stack. So at the end of the day my stack is just empty है ना, and so I will have be returning the empty result. Okay, so this is it. So now we will be looking into the code. Okay, so what we did, we made a in the line number 3, this one, in line 3 here we made the empty stack, and we started traversing the complete string, that is the string s. We started traversing the string to do character array, and we came inside it. What we said that what we were talking that if our stack is empty, then we can add. We were looking na that if our stack was empty, if our stack was, I was here and my stack was empty, then I was inserting the data into the stack है ना. Like I was here and my stack was empty, then I directly inserted the data into the stack. Okay, if my stack is empty, then I can directly insert the data into the stack, or whatever is on the top of the stack है ना, whatever is on the stack, whatever is on the top of the stack, and the new element that I am gonna push, मतलब the current character should not be having the difference equal to 32. means मतलब absolute difference should not be equal to 32. means these are the invalid conditions ना. मतलब small l cannot be occurring with capital L, or capital L cannot be occurring with small l, or small e cannot be occurring with capital E है ना, capital E cannot be occurring with small e. मतलब any alphabet, small case alphabet cannot be occurring with है ना capital case alphabet. It is not valid. Okay, so how we can identify it? Just suppose that small a is there and capital A is there, so it is also not valid. What is the sky value of small a? It is 97. What is the sky value of capital A? It is 65. The difference between two is 32, and always the difference will be same. Like here, if we will be minusing the sky value of this, it will be also be 32. It will also be 32. It will also be 32. It will also be 32. All the small case alphabet and all the capital case alphabet will be having the difference of 32. Okay, sky value 32 difference. Okay, so if math dot absolute stack whatever is in the top of the stack and whatever is the current character, if they both are not having 32 difference, then we can also push into the stack. But if they are having the difference equal to 32, that means they are violating the condition. Means that means that they are violating the condition. At that stage we will have to pop anything whatever on the top of the stack. Okay, at that case we will be popping out the things. Okay, at here what we are doing, we are just making the string builder. We are just fetching the data whatever is there in the stack, we are just fetching it out and appending it to the string builder. Okay, and after that we are returning the string, matlab we are creating that string builder, converting that string builder to string, and we are returning it out. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, whatever the complexity is big of n, time complexity is here, time complexity, time and space both are big of n, where n is the length of the string, length of string. Okay, it was a easy question and nothing to be, we don't need to use too much of brain into it. Okay, have fun.